Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The emergence of a coronavirus type COVID-19 that has attacked hundreds of thousands of people in various countries and also caused death. I'm Chaeranti Arsyad, as the representative of the Ministry of Health, wants to convey the things that the people should do to prevent the COVID-19 virus. The virus can be transmitted easily to many people. Its transmission can be through droplet, personal contact, such as touching object or the surface of the virus on it. In addition, coronavirus can also last well in the air and longer when attached to the surface of an object. The risk of exposure is higher when touching the object after which to touch the mouth, nose, or eyes. With the higher number of spread, of course everyone should try their best to prevent COVID-19. It's important that we know the most appropriate way to prevent COVID-19. There are a few things we have to do to take a precaution whose agencies that we must do. First, keep distance of at least 1 meter to minimize the risk of infection when people around you cough, sneeze, or talk. Wearing masks. When you wearing and removing your hand mask should be clean, and make sure when wearing the mask cover your nose, mouth, and chin. Third, avoid enclosed space, crowded or involve close contact. You must know the basic things of good hygiene. Regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand rub or rinse them with a soap and water. The eliminate germ including virus that may be on your hands, avoiding touching eyes, nose, and mouth. Hands touch many surfaces can pick up virus. Uncontaminated hands can transfer the virus to your eyes, nose, or mouth. From there, the virus can enter your body and infect you. Cover your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Then dispose of the used tissue immediately into a closed bin and wash your hands. By following good respiratory hygiene, you protect people around from the virus, which cause colds, flu, and COVID-19. Clean and disinfect surfaces frequently, especially those which are regularly touched, such as door handles, faucets, and phone screens. We urge the public to do 5 important things to prevent COVID-19. Wash your hands frequently with soap. Work, study, and worship at home. Wear masks when you are in a public place. Keep your distance apart the crowds. Immediately take a shower and change clothes after arriving home. When you're in a public transportation transport to reduce the transmission of COVID-19. Clean the facial using disinfect, especially there are those who are often touched. Implement clean and healthy living behavior. Use masks. Check the temperature twice a day before and after arriving. You should do the best preventive activities every day to reduce risk contracting the COVID-19 virus. More importantly, we have to apply wear masks, keep a distance of 1 meter while in public place, stay away from crowd, wash your hands regularly, don't go out of the house if you don't feel well. By taking COVID-19 prevention will help reduce the spread of the virus. During this pandemic, avoid stress and remain optimistic by doing daily activities and staying distanced. So, at I hope that the community will apply health protocols during this pandemic. More or less sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon.